For Timmins-James Bay.
Mr. Speaker, today's Supreme Court ruling is another setback to this government's reckless and unbalanced tough-on-crime agenda. Now, legal experts and the New Democrats told this government all along that allowing authorities to spy on Canadians without warrants was not constitutional. Now the Supreme Court has released a ruling that shows that this government's warrantless access legislation just ain't going to cut it. So rather than picking another fight with the Supreme Court, will this government do the right thing, go back to the drawing board, and respect the constitutional rights of Canadians to privacy?
The Honourable Parliamentary Secretary.
Well, Mr. Speaker, Canadians want us to protect children. They want us to protect all people who use the internet and could be abused by cyberbullies who hide behind the anonymity of the internet. We will review the decision of the Supreme Court and determine the best course of action. But in the meantime, we're going to continue to protect Canadians against online criminals. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.
The Honourable Member for Timmins-James Bay.
I'd like to believe that they're there to protect the children, but this government seems to have two kinds of victims. Let's talk about their treatment of the survivors of St. Anne's Residential School. They presented that hearings with a false evidence narrative. They suppressed thousands of pages of police evidence relating to the abuse of these children. They were in Ontario court this week again for obstructing a ruling where the judge said that they had denied these survivors access to justice. Why does this government use their enormous legal power to go after people whose only crime was that they were First Nation children and subjected to horrific criminal abuse in a government institution?
The Honourable Minister of Aboriginal Affairs.
Mr. Speaker, the fact is that our government will continue to receive and disclose the documents through the process that was agreed to by all parties. The honourable member refers to a matter that is presently before the court, and by respect for our court system, I will not further comment.
Honourable Member for York.